Now is one of the most complicated times if you're thinking about buying a Tesla. Let's walk you through 10 brand new features that you're going to get in the Model Y and compare it to the previous Model Y and what you get in the Model 3. Which vehicle do you buy and what are 10 brand new features? Let's go over all of that and more in today's video. So I'm in my jam-packed Model 3 today. I have also test driven the new Highland Model 3, and as a family, we just took delivery of a brand new Model Y. But as you consider, well, which vehicle is right for me, let's go over 10 brand new features that you're going to get in the Model Y and compare it to your current option, the Highland Model 3. What are 10 reasons to potentially buy? Let's go over these new features. Feature number 1 in the brand new Model Y, said to be announced any day now, perhaps at the end of the month. Strong signs say that Tesla may announce this Model Y for orders at the end of the month during Tesla's earnings call. But feature number 1, a brand new headlight design and tail light. Let's group this into a feature called the exterior. Let's go over it. No other Tesla has this one-of-a-kind indirect tail light where the light shines down on a brand new design for the rear of the Model Y, giving it a glowing effect. And for the first time, a new headlight design mimicking the Cybercab. This one's a little different as well. If you're looking for unique, the Model Y is going to have it on the exterior. This Cybercab-like LED light is split into 3 pieces, most likely to make repairs affordable and timely. Feature number 2, unique that you're going to get in this new Model Y if you decide to buy. Brand new powered seats and longer rear seats. If you haven't heard, the rear seats are half an inch longer, which on a road trip can really give you more comfort. Those are now a half an inch longer for your comfort of the passengers, and now the interior also has powered seats. Powered seats are unique to the Model Y. Now you can control the raising and lowering of those seats. Before, you would hit a button and they would just fall down with no control. Now you can raise and lower them with a motor. They're now completely powered and completely unique to this Model Y. Feature number 3, a brand new color completely unique to this Model Y refresh. Glacier Blue was announced. No other Tesla has this color. So if you like this color, it is very unique. All the other standard colors, if you will, are included as options like we've seen out of China. This vehicle is not available in the States. It first debuted in the China region. You're getting a brand new color, but also this. If you are one of the first to order a Model Y and take delivery, these details are awesome. A launch series was just announced, a complete unique feature to this Model Y refresh. The launch series has an acceleration boost if you're getting an all-wheel drive Model Y, completely unique to this Model Y refresh, and you're getting a one-of-a-kind black suede on the dash, unique to this launch series Model Y. A completely unique design that you're going to get in this Model Y, unlike other Teslas. The new interior has a little more detail, if you will. Now double stitching is included on the front dash of your Tesla, giving a little more detail and refinement, and the ambient lighting returns, but in its own design, going 3/4 of the way down the door. But take a look at these doors. Multiple textures and colors now make up the interior of this new refreshed Model Y, and it looks really sharp. Did you know that the Model 3 also has unique features? We're going to go over that so you can compare the 3 versus the Y. But did you hear about this? Tesla just changed it. I'm talking about the referral program. We mentioned it in the last video, so I'll keep it brief. It is completely reset, and now you're going to save up to $1,000 on any Tesla if you use a referral link. Now it's 500 on the 3Y and 1,000 on the SX in Cybertruck. My referral link will be down below. You click on it, you use that to order your Tesla. You automatically save up to $1,000, so you really can't go wrong. This one is pretty cool, but you tell me how much it's gonna really factor in for you. So if you buy a Model Y, you might have been hoping for a lot more range or faster charging. Here's the truth. A 3% increase in range has been reported, lower than some customers and Tesla fans were hoping for, but you're also going to get 250 kilowatts charging speed. If that sounds familiar, there's a reason why. That is also the same maximum kilowatts that a Model Y can accept. So basically what that means is you're not going to get dramatically faster charging. It's the same charging speeds as before, but let's go over some unique details that you might not know when comparing a Y versus a 3. Did you hear about these? By the way, on the video that Tesla released on the new Model Y, it does look like when you hit the Frunk button, it opens all the way. Whereas before, the lock would basically unlock and then you had to manually lift it. I can confirm at this time, the Frunk in the new Model Y is not powered. So while it might open all the way, you still have to manually close it. So I just want to add that as well. We can talk about the Y and the 3. Did you hear that the new refreshed Juniper Model Y has one steering wheel stock? Yes, apparently Tesla has been taking feedback. And if you like steering wheel stocks, then this is going to make you more comfortable. If you don't, the unique feature to the Model 3 is the only Tesla aside from the Cybertruck that does not have steering wheel stocks. So you would use your turn signals on the steering wheel. The new Model Y apparently has that steering wheel stock to apply turn signals. It's a turn signal stock. Now when you're comparing the Model Y versus the Model 3, now the Model Y finally has its own unique design, but so does the Model 3. It has a sportier stance. It has staggered wheels, the Model 3 Highland. So there's a lot of upgrades to the exterior, but now for the first time, the Model Y stands on its own with a completely unique look to it versus the unique look of the Model 3. Now, very stylish, but different. The next unique feature or reason, I should say, to think about a Y versus a 3, well, right now you can order a Model 3. It's available right now, and it comes in the performance model. Right now, the Model Y, even out of China, they have not released a performance variant of the Model Y. So if you're comparing right now, you're only going to get a base model Model Y and a long range. No performance style or specs or price or anything have been released. The last feature when comparing the Y versus the 3, this one's going to affect all Teslas, so listen up. With the new administration, the EV tax credit, a lot of talk about that going away. Well, President Trump made the first change. The EV mandate has been removed. Now, what does this mean to you as a customer? Well, there was a mandate that half of all vehicle sales be electric by 2030. Now, that doesn't say anything about the $7,500 that you're going to get for qualified Teslas. Right now, the EV credit is still alive. Many in the Tesla community, myself included, expect that to go away. So factor that in. If you're buying right now, there are price discounts on Tesla inventory. Huge discounts on the Model Y because Tesla is removing inventory for the new Model Y refresh. Check out inventory, take advantage of those EV tax credits while you can. So which one are you going to buy? A current Model Y, the new Highland Model 3, or are you going to wait for the refreshed Juniper to make its way to the States? To finish things off, here's a list of all the features that are shared between the new Model Y refresh and the current Model 3. I want you to know that some things are the same. Ventilated seats, a rear screen, obviously ambient lighting, although that design is different now. So factor all of that in, and hopefully that helps. If you have any questions, put them down below. If you are buying a Tesla, there are a few companies that I decided to partner with, the ones that actually have a great name in the Tesla community that I want to recommend. Check those out down in this video's description. And the only way I know that you are out there watching, if you made it this far, I appreciate it, is to drop a like and consider subscribing. It really helps the channel grow. As always, this is Matt from Frunk to Trunk. We will see you in the next video.